bends can be pretty dodgy in the sense that pretty uneven road surface, which means it's not good on the best of days, but because we've got all this overhang of trees here, when the sun's out, especially in the winter when the sun is quite low, it never dries up the road, and you get all kinds of debris on the road. Well, really just bits crap off the trees. It can make it quite a slippy surface. Well, see, they've resurfaced this and changed this a little bit since I came off on this bend, because this bend is not just a bit; it's almost a dog's leg. Nicotine chewing gum. It's not as though I can have a cigarette when I'm riding about, is it? All looks to be pretty free flowing. It's always a good sign. Saves me the added danger of filtering. Can't get in front of this truck. Come on now. I'm not sure which one I'm to take. Is it this one? I'm going to take it anyway. I think it is this one.